Hello students, welcome in chapter 10 straight lines. Students, I today continue our exercise 10 remaining questions to 8th one. Find the area of triangle for the given three lines. First of all, y minus x is equal to 0, x plus y is equal to 0 and x minus k equal to 0. Students, here I consider our three lines L1, L2 and L3, and they all are intersect at a common points A, B, C. Here L1 line I just taking out that y minus x is equal to 0, L2 x plus y is equal to 0 and L3 which is x minus k is equal to 0. And one by one I eliminated. First I create A, L1 and L2 intersection. L1 intersection L2 is A. Yes, these are the intersections. Y minus x is equal to 0 and x plus y is equal to 0. So does this x and this x cancel? You have to only 2y is equal to 0, definitely y is equal to 0. And that y, if you apply here, in this place y0, then x also 0. It means your A vertex is ready 0, 0. Yes, therefore A I write down that 0, 0. Secondly, now L2 and L3 intersections. Now L2 intersection L3 at a point B. What is your L2? X plus y. And L3 x minus k. X plus y is equal to 0 and x minus k. Here also students you take elimination method. That is your minus plus L0. That cancel y plus k. Y become minus k. Then x become, yes, x become k. And here students your k, x become, y is your minus k. So your B coordinate is ready k comma minus k, and here you declare k comma minus k. Now I will take C. After that, same as students, our third equations create to our L2 and L3 intersection and derive value for C. So students, I continue now derive C for the L2 and L3. L2 intersection L3 at a C point. This one L2 and L3. L2 I have x plus y and L3 I have x minus k. Yes students, L2 and L3 here already I taking, sorry students, my mistakes. Now L1 and L2 and L3 you taking here B points. By mistakes I written that students. Here C. B is your k comma minus k because here mention L2 and L3. Don't worry, anywhere you taking. Now here L1 and L3. Students, L1 and L3 taking C. What is your L1? Y minus x. And your L3 x minus k. Now derive that value L1 and L3. Any place you taking ABC, and don't worry students. Here cancel y minus k. Your y value is a k and x is a k. It means C coordinate students k comma k. Here you declare k comma k. Either L1, L2, L3 name change. Now students, A x1 y1, B x2 y2 and C x3 y3. All three data done. What is your A? 0, 0, B k minus k and C k k. And I will check now area of triangle. Yes. So finally, area of triangle ABC, which have half x1 plus x2 plus x3, and apply respectively our formula. Y minus y, same and same. Here 1 then 2 3, 2 then 3 1 and 3 then 1 2. So my value is create x1, x2, x3. That one x1, x2, x3. 0 plus k and here also plus k, and internal put it value for y2 minus y3 students. Y2 minus y3 minus k, y3 minus y1, it means k minus 0, and last y1 minus y2 0 plus k. Finally done. That will be 0, k square, and that is how much? 2k square. It means your answer is, students, only k square, and here your area of triangle is easily, students, done. Now I continue same as after that. Now next sum. Now students, continue. I going ahead. Question number. Now 9th and 10th students both are cancelled. So now I go to 11th one. According to our syllabus, cancel question I not explain here, students. So now we going ahead slowly. Our 11th sum. Find the equation of line passing through 3, 2 and making angle 45 with the line x minus 2y is equal to 3. Question is important for exam level. So mark in IMP. Find the equation of lines passing through 2, 3 and making angle 45 degree with the line x minus 2y is equal to 3. Students, first of all we will check simple our drawing. 2, 3 apply on this line first. That's your general drawing. Here your 2 and here your 3. You are here 2, 3. And these are our answers. One of this line, secondly that line. And the x minus 2y is equal to 3. Something this lines approximately. Yeah? I just taking that x minus 2y is equal to 3. That's your third line. Very easy. This slope by taking m1 slope, and here slope by taking m2. Because the between that angle is given 45 degree. Already given that. So now I start first angle tan alpha formula, m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. So students, here line given L x minus 2y is equal to 3. What's the slope? Minus a by b. Minus 1 by minus 2, which is half. And suppose slope of required line L2 line is m2. This is your L2 lines, either this L2, either this L2, any one two, because here two answers are available passing through 2, 3. So now students, I going here angle between that 45 degree. So tan alpha m1 minus m2 1 plus m1 m2, and that property you know that alpha known 45 degree, tan 45 1, and slope m1 also known, students, here half. So we write down here tan 45, m1 is a half minus m2, 1 plus half into m2, and simple, students, you will check derive for value for m2. Yes, one by one. But there are two cases because magnitude available. So here we will check tan 45 1 and other in LCM part 1 minus 2 m2 upon 2 plus m2, and here take, students, first of all positive case, and another I will take negative case. So in positive case, here 1 minus 2 m2, 2 plus m2, otherwise second part minus 1 equal to 1 minus 2 m2 by 2 plus m2. Now you start respectively two cases. First 2 plus m2, 1 minus 2 m2. So it is 3 m2, 1 minus 2 minus 1. So m2 create minus 1 by 3. That is slope of second line, either this, either that. Similarly, minus 2 minus m2, 1 minus 2m2. So minus m2 plus 2m2. You just collect all like terms. Minus 2m2 convert right to left, and here 1 plus 2. So m2 become 3. Now, students, slope ready. Passing through known 2, 3. So, required line passing through 2, 3, y minus y1 and x minus x1. x1, y1, you know that is your x1, that is y1, and this is a slope. So, students, y1 I have 3, slope minus 1/3, and x1 is a 2. y1 is 3 and slope minus 1/3. 3 take multiply upside, 3y minus 9 minus x plus 2. So finally done, students. X plus 3y, 2 plus 9. So x plus 3y is equal to 9 into 11. That's my first answer, students. And similarly you can create by that one. By slope using now 3. Yes, so required line again same as the passing through, similarly 2, 3. So y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1. Slope point equation. y1 I have 3, slope also 3, and x1 is a 2. Yes, and the answer is y minus 3 is equal to 3x minus 6. So 3x minus y minus 6 plus 3. So 3x minus y minus 3 is equal to 0. Yes, minus 6 plus 3, which is minus 3. And here, students, these two lines are our answers for in the equation of passing through the a 2, 3. Now I continue, students, further questions similarly going ahead. Next one. Next question, students, here 12th one is a cancel. 13 also cancel. So now I start to 14th one. Yes. Now go to 14. Fourteenth one, in which ratio the line joining minus 1, 1 and 5, 7 is divided by the line x plus y is equal to 4. So this is a unique sum. Question asking that in what ratio the line joining minus 1, 1 and 5, 7 is divided by the line x plus y is equal to 4. Students, here division ratio asking that. Yes. So first of all, I will just draw a line, segment that A and B, which have two coordinate available, minus 1, 1 and 5, 7. And here one of the line L, and the ratio is the given P points at the M ratio N. And line L is the x plus y is equal to 4. Very easy. First I derive P points according to M N ratio theory. Apply on the line x plus y is equal to 4. Easily you will get ratio. But first here I assume, suppose point P x comma y divides AB in the ratio. Students, necessary you will suggest that in the ratio M ratio N from A side. Also, you will check P belongs to line L. This line L. This is suggestions. Now you can start your ratio theory. Mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n. Similarly, m by 2 and y1 by m plus n. Simple, apply your value. 5 minus 1. Now 7, 1. Students, this value is the x consider and that is the y. But we will take pxy belongs to L line. What is the line? X plus y is equal to 4. So you can put down x, here y and here 4. And simple, you will derive Mn ratio, students. And Mn ratio, that's your answers. So I just apply one by one Mn values. My Mn value, M and x is a 5m minus n by m plus n. Same as 7m plus n by m plus n. Now LCM and cross multiply. So remaining I have 5m minus n plus 7m plus n is equal to 4 times m plus n. So it is a total 12m, that cancel. 4m plus 4n. Now students, this 4m also subtract them. 12m minus 4m, it is 8m. So what is the m by n? Yes, m by n is a 4 by 8, which is 1:2. So required ratio you have to done m ratio n, which is 1:2. And here students, you have to simple. Here this question number 14 is ending. Now I go to 15, students, it is cancel. 16 also cancel. 17 cancel, 18 cancel, 19, 20 cancel. Now I go to 21. Yes students, question number 21. Question is there. Find the equation of line which is equal distance, either equidistance from the two lines given parallel. Yes, from parallel lines. One of the 9x plus 6y minus 7 is equal to 0, and secondly 3x plus 2y plus 6 is equal to 0. 3x plus 2y plus 6 is equal to 0. Students, here first of all read question again. I want to equation of line equidistance from first and second, parallel both. It means that's your drawing. That is your L1 line. This is your L2 line. L1 line is a 9x plus 6y minus 7 is equal to 0. Can I multiply here also 3? They become a and b coefficient are same as xy. Here 3 multiply. So 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, and 3 6s are 18. Again repeat, 3 multiply here because I want to coefficient x and y same. 3 multiply 6, 9, 6 are, and 3 6 are 18. And that's your answer, students. Line L3 which is parallel to L1 and L2. Also equal distance means this distance AM, B, and this distance CD are the equal distances. Very easy. So what is the line for L3? Yes, same as that. 9x plus 6y plus unknown. Why unknown? Because it is parallel, but I derived that unknown value. So that's my answer. Parallel to both, slopes are same. So suppose required line L3, 9x plus 6y plus k is equal to 0, which is parallel. Yes, parallel to L1 and L2. And also suppose the line that parallel L1 L2 and continue equal distance. Yes, apply that these lines are equal distance, either equidistance from L1 and L2. Now students, equal distance means AB distance and CD distance I will take in the same. So apply in the equal distance formula and you will get simple answer. So AB is equal to CD. So you just taking both are equidistant and formula for between two lines L1 and L3. So C1 minus C3 by under root A square plus B square. Same. Now C2D distance L2 and L3. So here C2 minus C3 A square plus B square. So does this and that cancel. And now time coming to C1, C2, C3 value. So does this is your C1, that is your C2, and that's your C3. So what is C1? C1 I have minus 7, C3 K, C2 18, but C3 K. Now magnitude derive, plus or minus answer, minus 7 minus K, here plus or minus 18 minus K. So one kind of 18 minus K, otherwise minus of 18 minus K. Now students, your answer is coming simple way. Here minus K gone, not equal to 18, not possible there. Here possible, minus 7 minus K, minus 18 plus K. So minus 7 plus 18 is equal to twice K. Now students, here twice K and 18 minus 7, yes, which is 11. 11 by 2. That's your students answer for question number 21. Very easily we derive at K. Now equation derive. This value K students, I apply here and I will get to equation of line. So students, now I putting value of K in place of here. So my required line L3, which is become 9x plus 6y plus K, and what is your K is 11 by 2. Now solutions. 9 2 is 18x, 6 2 is 12y plus 11 is equal to 0. And here students, that's your final answer, which is parallel to L1 and L2. Yes students. Now I continue next question after 21. Yes, after 21, students, 22 is a cancel there. So now I go to 23, which is biggest sum. Yes, very most IMP. Question number 23. Prove that product of length of the perpendicular drawn from the 2 points to the given line is B square. Question I again write. Prove that the product of the length of lengths of the perpendicular distance drawn from origin the point, not origin, sorry, under root a square minus b square comma 0 and minus under root a square minus b square comma 0 to the line x upon a cos theta y upon b sin theta is equal to 1 is b square. X upon a cos theta plus y upon b sin theta is equal to 1 is b square. B square is students our target. Yes, this is a big numerical, but I going ahead slowly. First utilization this point, one of the point A under root a square minus b square comma 0, and here students one of the line given which is perpendicular distance, and that distance I consider here P1. Same as I taking P2 for the second points, and my line is x by a cos theta plus y by b sin theta minus 1 is equal to 0. And you know that formula for perpendicular distance? Yes, perpendicular distance P1 is x1 by a cos theta plus y1 by b sin theta minus 1 upon what upon a square plus b square. What is your a? A is your this coefficient of x, b is your this coefficient of b, that. So I just write down cos square theta by a square and sin square theta by b square. Now students, x1 y1 you will apply, that's your x1, and secondly y1. So value create your x1 value, which is your under root a square minus b square by a into cos theta. Y1 is 0 and minus 1 by under root, take LCM, b square cos square a square sin square upon a square b square. Students, here you just simple taking LCM here, that. So your required values under root a square minus b square cos theta minus a upon a, and that LCM taking upper side under root a square b square by b square cos square and a square sin square. Now students, you will just take here these parts in the magnitude value, under root a minus, and that is magnitude a. This also answer magnitude a, magnitude b. So under root a square minus b square cos theta minus a upon magnitude a, and into here also students I have to remaining modulus a, modulus b, and remaining are same, b square cos square a square sin square. Here students this and that cancel, and here I will take equation number 1, that's your P1. And now students, P2 I similarly derive and get the solutions. So now continue students, now I go to P2 related. But you will check your P2 is same as to P1 students. This is your P1 for point a square b square minus 0. P2 is only minus that. So here you take minus only, that minus, this minus. So second you write down similarly P2 distance is same minus under root a square minus b square cos theta minus a with modulus b upon this is same I write down under root b square cos square plus a square sin square, and that's your equation number 2. Now question read again, that between product is b square. So students, I will take now P1 into P2, that's your P1 modulus under root cos theta minus a modulus b by upon same b square cos square and a square sin square into second also same I write down minus under root a square minus b square cos theta minus a with modulus b by under root b square cos square a square sin square. Now this solution students, anyhow you will derive it is b square. Very simple, here b and b take modulus b square, this root cancel, and here you create a square minus b square. So your data is a square minus b square cos square theta minus a square b modulus square, and upon this are same. So can we write down only b square cos square plus a square sin square. Now further calculate, this also cancel that. So I just expanded a square cos square minus b square cos square minus a square modulus b square by same as b square cos square a square sin square. So if you rearrange here a square cos square and minus a square, you will common taking minus a square, 1 minus cos square, and the same as b square cos square. This b square is same as, because modulus and square it is positive, and that similarly. Definitely this and this data cancel if you arrange one more steps. Here minus a square sin square and minus b square cos square into b square by b square cos square, a square sin square. Students, you also know minus common in the magnitude, they have to minus remove. So only you have a square sin square, b square cos square by this b square is as it is, and here a square cos sin square plus b square cos square. Students, this and that cancel, only you have to b square, and that's your answer. Check. What's your proving here? Prove that product between these two lines are perpendicular distance is your product is b square. Yes students, here 23 done. Now 24 questions students, here already cancelled there. It means our chapter is completely done here. Now further explanation students, I explain you in the next chapter. Okay, bye bye.